turbocharged motorcycle tornado. One more time, Jose and Cyrus. Oh, but now we're going to take it to the ultimate level as Carolina will enter that steel cage. Notice, she wears no protective gear whatsoever. Watch closely, folks, or you may never see the lights of this again. Come on, everybody, let's clap along. Let's give them some encouragement. Motorcycles race, standing strong with nerves of steel and a smile on her face. She can hear you there. Give it up for Carolina. They are the most respected drill performers in the world, Carolina.